Hello guys, welcome back to this video. So this is a complete beginner's guide to forex trading using the Bybit exchange. For many of you who have been confused with my signals, I'm going to explain all of that in this video, and I'm going to walk you step by step on how to carry out trades from transferring funds into your Bybit TradFi account and then taking your first trade. So if you're a complete beginner and you don't understand what forex trading is all about, this video is for you. Now, to make it simpler for us, to make it very easy for us to follow, you need trading platform. And that trading platform, the one I use is Bybit, because I'm a crypto trader. I can trade forex, I can trade stocks, I can trade gold, I can trade commodities, all of these things inside of the Bybit, including crypto that I am used to. Spot trading, futures, option trading. I can do all of these things using just one platform. Instead of jumping from one platform to another, we can do all of this using the Bybit app. So if you don't have a Bybit account already, that's the first thing you want to do. You want to use the link in the video description to sign up for an account and then download the Bybit app. If you're going to download the app directly from the App Store, all you just need to do is at the sign up, make sure here where it says referral code that you input digital. Just type in digital there and you get access to all of the welcome bonus, including the $100 wave that you get if you start using the Bybit copy trading platform. When you copy a trader and that trader lose your money, Bybit will replace back the money. So all of those bonuses, you will get it if you use my referral code, which is digital if you are downloading the app from your App Store or your Play Store. And if you are going to use the link in the video description, you don't need to use the referral code because by default, it will be added there. So once you sign up for an account, the next thing is to get your account verified. It's very simple. You just follow the on-screen instruction, get your account verified. And after that, the next thing is to fund the account. And there are two ways you can fund the account. You can either use P2P or you can transfer USDT from another crypto wallet into your Bybit account. We have step-by-step videos that walk you on how to do all of that. Because this video, I don't want it to be too long. I just want to show you how to take trades on the Bybit app or how to trade Forex and gold using the Bybit app. So once you log into your account, I want to assume that you already have an account and you are, if not, just do that now. Pause the video, do that, and then come back to this option. So if you have an account already and you log into your account, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you go to the trade option, this middle menu here, click on it. Once you click on the trade option, up here, you will see that there are different menus up here. So right here, you will see we have different options there. So our concern here is to move to the TradFi option right here. So go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it brings you here. First thing you want to do is to fund your TradFi account. In order to take trades, whether you want to go for copy trading or you just want to trade yourself, you need to first fund the account. And to fund the account, you'll see where it says, you will see this transfer button option right here. So go ahead and click on that transfer button. Now, when you fund your Bybit account, the funds on your Unified are not automatically transferred here. So you need to manually transfer it right here. So you will need to have your USDT inside your Bybit funding wallet. It is from that Bybit funding wallet that you are going to transfer the funds into your TradFi account. So you just need to click mass here if you have the funds, or you put in the amount you want to transfer, and then you just go ahead and click on transfer. Now, once you click on transfer, your funds will automatically be transferred into the TradFi account. So if I go back and click on the gold trade, you will see the funds you transferred into your account reflecting right here. So you will now use this to start trading. You can use it to trade Forex, pairs, you can use it to trade gold, anything at all you want to trade right here. So after that, the next thing, before I go into using this chart, if I scroll down here, you'll see that we have, you'll see right here that we have the buy button and then we'll have the sell button, right? I have a trade here, that's why you're seeing this right now. We have the buy button and then we have the sell button. So if I want to buy, it's pretty much, now with Bybit is simple. It's not as confusing as MT5 or some other brokers that you use. If I want to buy, for instance, I don't need to know what buy limit or sell limit or buy stop is all about. I just need to click on buy. And once I click on the buy option, I can either buy at the market price or buy at a trigger price. So trigger price means there is a price I want to buy. I want to buy when the market gets here. I want to buy when the market gets here, right? So even if you like set the market to buy at a higher price that is higher than the current market price, or set to buy at a lower price that is lower than the current market price, the two buttons here do the magic for you. Whether it is buy stop, Bybit automatically handles that for you. So you don't need to confuse yourself with the prices you're putting here. So if I want to buy, I'll go ahead and put a price that I want to buy. And then the next thing, you can put the quantity in USDT that you want to buy, and that will automatically calculate the lot size for you. But what I do is I put the price I want to buy if I'm using the limit order, which is the trigger price, and then I'll go ahead and put the lot size. I want to buy gold when it gets to 4,300. On the lot size option, I just go ahead and type 0.01, which is the lowest lot size. And I always advise if you are just starting, start with the lowest lot size. It doesn't really matter, right? You can still make money with it. If you become greedy and you want to use 0.1 one lot size because you want to make quick money, you equally lose your money quicker. Okay, so once I go ahead and put that in, you see that automatically the quantity of the USDT has been selected for us. So if you were supposed to type here instead, it will automatically calculate the lot size you are going to use. So once that is done, all you just need to do is just to go ahead and click on buy, and a limit order will be placed for you automatically. So if I go to my orders right here, you see that I have pending orders here waiting to be executed. So that order we just placed is right here, and you can modify it. If I go ahead and click on the modify option, I have the option to add my TP and then my stop loss. It's as simple as that. And always use this TP and stop loss option. So that's how you modify that. Now, how do you know when to buy and when to sell? Personally, I use TradingView on my laptop. So I do all of these things using my laptop. I go ahead and chat on my laptop and then look at the levels on a higher time frame. Then I come back here to start taking trades. But if you don't have a laptop and you want to use what is available right here, what I recommend is to use two indicators. If I scroll down here, you'll see these are the available indicators that you will use on the Bybit app. These are default indicators. You cannot use any other indicator aside this. So the one I use most of the time is the EMA, and then I use the RSI. So these ones that I highlighted are the ones that I use. So you can see my RSI right here, and you can see my EMA on the chart. So you just go ahead and set this up and then set this up. Now, for you to set up the EMA, by default, when you click the EMA, you will see 3 lines or more on your chart, on the candlesticks right here on your chart. You see 3 lines or more. So what I do in order to take care of that, I'll go ahead and click on this setting icon right here. So there's a setting icon right there. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once I click on that setting icon, this dialog box pops up. Go ahead and click on indicators. Once you click on indicators, you want to go to moving average exponential. That's the EMA that I activated. So you go ahead and set, by default, yours, multiple of these will be selected. So deselect all of them and only use one. And then go ahead and set the number to 25. It is the 25 EMA that I used for my scalping. And then the next one is the RSI. If the RSI is showing more than one line, you just go ahead and click on the relative strength index. And once you click on it, you can uncheck any other thing that is checked here and just make sure that the first one with the value of 14 is selected. And that is how you set up your indicators, and they'll be showing on your chart. So I normally trade using the 15 minutes time frame. I do my analysis, as I said earlier, on the system, then I'll come here. So as long as my candlesticks are trading above the 20, above the 25 moving average, the EMA, I am looking for buy. So whenever the candlestick comes down to that moving average and then it bounces up, I'm looking to buy, right? And when it's trading below it, I am looking for sell. So whenever we are trending lower, you can see right here, when we started rejecting, we created like this double top here, started rejecting, came back, rejected. So in this way, I'm using the EMA as both support, use it as both resistance and support. So when the market is trading below the EMA, I'm looking for sales, and when it's trading above the EMA, I'm looking for buys. Another thing I use as confirmation is the RSI. So once my RSI is at that overbought, oversold level, I'll be looking to buy. Now, how do you know above 70 is overbought, below 30 is oversold? How do you know that? Because the numbers on the RSIs are not showing right here. So what you want to do is to go ahead and check this number right here. The number will keep changing, right? So if I click and hold on my chart, you'll see this line that comes up. So if I bring it right here, you see the RSI number that is changing. That's the one you want to pay attention to. So when I bring it lower here, it will tell you that at that point, this is where RSI went down to. So that's basically how you do all of this, right? That's basically how you trade on this platform. And you can see right here, my trade is currently in profit and I've made $5. I just entered this trade before I started this video, and it's as simple as that. I'm even up by $6. So if I want to close this, I just go ahead and click on the close option. Now, since I use 0.02 lot size, I can decide to close half of this trade by clicking on the 50% option, and I close half of it. I can decide to close 25% or 75% of the trade, and that is by taking partials, right? You see how easy it is to take partials. Or I can just go ahead and leave it on the 100% option, and then I go ahead and click on confirm, and that trade will automatically be closed. And just like that, I've made $5 in this trade. And the best part, though I don't recommend this for newbies, is that I can stack this trade. So if I enter a trade, I can enter like 2, 3, 5 trades in that Just like this one gave me $5. If it was a stack trade that I have up to 5 trade, it means that I would have making $5 inside all of that. And when I close all of them, join together, I would have made $25. Let's say I stacked up to 5 trades. I would have made $25. If I stacked up to 10 trades, I would have made $50 in that trade. I'll talk about stacking trades maybe in another video. But for today, this is what we are looking at. Now, when it comes to taking my signals, if I have allowed that trade, you can see that we'll still be making more profit because the market is still going down, right? But it's fine. It's just for demonstration purpose. We can always make money back. So if I want to, if I send a signal, for those of you who are trading gold with me on Telegram, by the way, if you are not on Telegram, guys, use the link in the video description to join us on Telegram. For those those of you who are trading gold with me, the signal I shared today hit full TP. And if you don't know how to trade, because I'll always give you an entering range. So I will say buy gold from, let's say 4,320 down to 4,318. Now, what I use, why I send my signals that way is because I will set limit order to buy gold when it drops down to 4,320. And when it drops down again to 4,319, I'll buy another one. When it drops down, that is how I start my trade. I don't just start my trade with just one entry. So when it drops to 4,318, I'll enter another trade. So before you know, from that 318, when it starts bouncing up, the one for 320 will be making profit for me. The one for 390 will be making profit for me. And the one for 318 will be making profit for me. And I can decide to close all of these trades at the same time, right? I can decide to now close these trades at now I have 3 trades concurrently running. And if I want to close, I close all of them at the same time and it will be making profit for me. It's as simple as that. Now, if you don't want to start trades using the entry range that I provide for you when I ask you to, and when I send a signal to trade gold, all you just need to do is to, as long as the price is within that range, if I say from 4,320 down to 4,318, as long as the price is within that range, you are free to enter a trade for that particular direction that I've given you. You are free to buy or sell for that particular direction that I've given you. And I bet you that you'll never regret it. So it is as simple as that. So what do you do? If I click on buy, for instance, the buy, you go to the trigger option, you put your price, put your lot size, and then you place that trade. Put your TPs. You can see they said TP and SL here. Just check it and put your TP and SL and you enter that trade. Then the next one, you do the same thing, enter TP and SL, you enter that trade. And when it executes, as the market is going up, those 3 trades will be making profit for you. Why I recommend you always use the lowest lot size, because if you hit stop loss, definitely 3 of them will be hitting separate stop loss that will be taking different money from your account. So you'll be losing more. But it's actually quicker to grow your account stacking trades. That is the whole idea. That's the easiest way to grow account when you are trading Forex or when you're trading any gold pair. So you stack your trades and it's easier to grow a smaller account with stacking trades, or okay, instead of just taking one trade at a time. That is it, guys, for this video. If you have learned something, let me know in the comment section. And if this video has been helpful, make sure that you smash that like button. And if you are new here, subscribe so that whenever we publish new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. That is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video.